Welcome to today's review on Velztorm White Pilum custom-built gaming desktop PC. We are genuinely happy to have you here with us today. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this gaming desktop at the best price in the market. This machine comes as a complete surprise, given how balanced its components feel right out of the box. You get an AMD Ryzen 750-700X processor running at 3.4 GHz base and boosting up to 4.6 GHz, which is solid for both gaming and productivity workloads. The 8 cores and 16 threads handle multitasking without breaking a sweat. On the graphics side, the GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory really stands out, even though the RTX 5000 series is still new to most buyers. It supports PCIe 5.0 and delivers smooth frame rates at 1440p and even entry-level 4K gaming. The 32 GB of DDR4 RAM is generous for today's titles and streaming at the same time. One real pro is the 2 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, which loads Windows 11 Pro in seconds and gives you plenty of room for a large game library. Another pro is the aesthetic with white RGB fans and a 120mm AIO liquid cooler that keeps the Ryzen 7 surprisingly quiet under load. The 750W power supply is reliable for this configuration and leaves a little headroom for minor upgrades. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0, which work fine, though Wi-Fi 6 would have been nicer to see at this price point. You also get a good mix of ports, including USB 3.2 Type-C and separate HDMI plus DisplayPort for multi-monitor setups. Now, for honesty, there are a few cons to consider. The RAM is DDR4 instead of DDR5, which feels a step behind on a $2,000 desktop. The case design is attractive, but airflow could be better if you add more high-end components later. Also, the Wi-Fi 5 standard is dated when many budget boards now include Wi-Fi 6 or 6E. The 1-year warranty from Microelectronics 2 is shorter than what some custom builders offer, and the seller is not a first-party brand like Dell or HP. However, the build quality out of the box is impressive, and every cable we checked was neatly managed. The included Windows 11 Pro is the full version, not an evaluation copy, which saves you a separate purchase. For video editing or photo editing, the Ryzen 7 paired with the RTX 5070 handles Adobe applications smoothly, and the 32 GB of RAM prevents stuttering during rendering. Streaming with OBS while gaming is also very feasible thanks to the dedicated NVENC encoder on the RTX 5070. If you are looking for a ready-to-go white gaming PC that looks clean and performs well for both work and play, this Velztorm model is a strong candidate. The price of $2,079.99 is competitive when you price out individual components, especially with the RTX 5070 still being hard to find at retail. You also get free returns through Amazon, which lowers the risk of buying a custom build online. The option to pay monthly at $82.32 over 48 months makes it more accessible as well. To get this exact configuration at the lowest price available, please click the link in the description below right now. We believe this desktop deserves a strong recommendation for gamers and creators who want a balance of power and aesthetics without building the system themselves. Thank you for watching, and we hope this honest review helps you decide with confidence.